A relentless nor'easter is currently churning its way up the east coast, transforming the Jersey Shore into a scene of whipping winds, torrential rain, and dangerous coastal flooding. The impact of this powerful non-tropical system began intensifying this Sunday, putting communities and critical infrastructure on high alert across a massive 500-mile stretch from the mid-Atlantic to New England.
Dude, I can't believe that she slowed down in front of me.
The situation is immediately visible in coastal New Jersey. In Ocean City, powerful towering waves are relentlessly crashing into the beach, a mesmerizing but ominous display of Mother Nature's power. One boardwalk visitor, John Knaus, noted the unusual height of the waves, saying, "I had to get video of that, because you don't normally see that here. It's usually 2 or 3 feet maybe in the summer." Another resident, Nancy Hopkins, described the spectacle as majestic. However, this beauty comes with severe warnings from officials. The coastal communities are already struggling with the effects of the first high tide. Several streets in Ocean City are inundated and impassable. Resident Chris Bell, whose home is on higher ground, had to move his vehicle, anticipating the worst flooding in a decade. "We might get water in the garage for the first time in 10 years, he said, highlighting the storm's intensity.
Sure, there's fish in here.
Similar conditions are mirrored further south in Sea Isle City, where one person described the weather as hurricane-like, with heavy wind and rapidly rising water. The situation in Sea Isle was severe enough that police and fire department officials were forced to respond to a car that became stuck in the deep floodwaters, providing a live reminder of the "turn around, don't drown" safety mandate. The primary concern across the entire Jersey Shore is the risk of stacking high tides. In North Wildwood, Mayor Patrick Rosanello confirmed that neighborhoods near the Back Bay, spanning from 2nd to 7th Avenues, remain flooded even hours after the first high tide.
Taking pictures too.
The mayor warned that if they cannot clear all the existing water before the next high tide arrives, it creates the significant risk of the new tide stacking on top of the residual water, potentially leading to predicted flood levels that are higher than forecast. Mayor Rosanello is particularly concerned about unexpected flooding into homes, a scenario the city is prepared for with high water vehicles and fire crews staffed through the night.
No! You can see it's working its way up.
The flooding risk is widespread. Streets in Avalon and Brigantine are submerged, with social media posts showing water surging over docks in Avalon, even as some individuals were seen daringly paddling kayaks through the flooded roadways. In Atlantic City, officials warned that low-lying areas that typically flood are waterlogged, including numerous avenues across the city. The National Weather Service maintains its warning of moderate to major coastal flood impacts, projecting widespread roadway flooding, impassable roads, significant inundation of structures, and the potential for mandatory evacuations. Water levels in Atlantic City are forecast to reach heights not seen since Superstorm Sandy in 2012, with a tide of 8 feet or higher being a very real possibility.
This is right outside my door. Look at this. And then the bay is like in the street. See? The bay is in the street where people are trying to drive through it with trucks, I guess.
The severity of the nor'easter has prompted a massive coordinated governmental response. The entirety of New Jersey's 21 counties has been under a state of emergency since 10 o'clock p.m. Saturday, a declaration authorized by Acting Governor Tahesha Way to speed up resource mobilization.
See? Up to the steps. Alright. Coasting again, it got way worse. I spoke too soon because now it's at my step.
The National Weather Service has issued high wind warnings and coastal flood warnings for multiple New Jersey counties, predicting sustained winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour and gusts of up to 60 miles per hour along the immediate coastline through early Monday morning. These strong northeast winds are expected to cause downed trees and power lines, with Atlantic City Electric already reporting a small number of power outages that is expected to climb throughout the day.
You are
about 1 a.m. tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the next high tide.
Yeah.
About at low tide, but the water has not gone down to where it normally is at a low tide. Right now, this is almost to the point that is typically at high tide. We are at least 4 feet above where low tide should be right now, and this is the problem with a nor'easter.
The storm's impacts are also spreading rapidly into the New York City region. New York Governor Kathy Hochul urged residents to stay alert, vigilant, and prepared, as a coastal flood warning and wind advisory are in effect for New York City, Long Island, and southern Westchester County through at least Monday afternoon.
Monarchs Boulevard. This is fucking crazy. These severe ass storms. Look at that. Look at that. That's ocean water. Like literally fucking ocean water. Look at it. That's how flooded we are. This is insane. There's Famous Pizza. Look at that. Just wait until I go back to AJ's and you see that. This is fucking insane, dude.
Coastal areas of suburban Long Island, particularly the South Shore bays of Nassau and southwestern Suffolk counties, are forecast to experience widespread moderate to major coastal flooding during the times of high tide, with up to 3 inches of rainfall and lashing winds expected. High wind warnings are specifically in effect for eastern Suffolk County, where wind gusts could reach 60 miles per hour, potentially leading to downed trees and power outages. Governor Hochul has also implemented a ban on empty tractor trailers and tandem trucks on the Metropolitan Transportation Authority's 7 bridges starting Sunday afternoon, lasting until Monday evening to enhance safety and prevent traffic issues from the powerful winds.
Broke off.
What was it?
Their whole dock. Oh no, and their boat. Oh no.
How did that happen?
Is that his boat? Or his tide, but
Is that their dock all the way over
this is all broken right here. Oh boy, there's
that way?
I know. Yeah, we should not be driving in this. Oh my gosh. More water on the side
The storm is severely disrupting air travel from Washington, D.C. up through Boston. Airports are posting flight delays and cancellations in advance of the anticipated high winds and flooding. Despite this powerful wind-driven storm, meteorologists predict it will slowly move out of the area by Monday night, leaving a massive cleanup and recovery effort in its wake across the entire Atlantic coast.
Oh no, all their decorations going out. That shark? Oh, there goes all their decorations. decorations. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh, that certainly sucks. That's why you don't decorate till the day of Halloween here. Oh my gosh. Jeez Louise.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.